Hi friends, my name is Shiti and I teach children how to read and write English and Setswana. On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you the letter sounds. Now, what are the letter sounds? These are the sounds that the alphabet makes. The alphabets are A, B, C, D, and E. A makes the sound A, B makes the sound B, C makes the sound K. So those are the letter sounds. Now, this is the sound A, B, B, K, K, D, D, E, G, G, I, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Did you get it? Now I want you to go over the sounds again and like if you have loved this video and subscribe. I'll see you on another video. Bye.